Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to Critical Reading Class KU 1024. I am Ibu Muhsona, English lecturer based in the Research Group of Literacy, Media and Culture, Faculty of Art and Design, Institut Teknologi Bandung. Module 5 presents 3 segments. The first one is Introduction of Unity and Coherence. The second one is Unity, and the third one is Coherence. Well, in addition to effective controlling idea, supporting ideas, and concluding sentence, a good paragraph has 2 important characteristics. They are unity and coherence. Unity means that all ideas in the supporting sentences and concluding sentence should reflect one single idea in the topic sentence. Coherence means that the ideas or sentences presented in a paragraph should be organized in a logical way and delivered smoothly. Thus, unity is about the idea, while coherence is about organization and flow. Alright, we have learned how to expand a topic into a topic sentence by adding controlling idea and where a topic sentence can be placed. What is next? Discussion on how to develop supporting sentences will be on segment 2. Please visit the links in the description section or just click the card at the end of this video. Good luck, see you around! We have learned the concept of unity and coherence. What is next? To find steps on how to develop a unified paragraph, please visit the links in the description section or just click the card at the end of this video. Good luck, see you around! Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.